Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install Muse Glimmer locally in your PC using Ollama, and we have to start coding with this using VS Code. As you can see, this the code that's I created with the Glimmer, and finally I create this website as you can see right here. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google and go to ollama.com/download and download Ollama from here and install it. Once it's installed, you get this icon right here. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to go here to models and want to download this Muse Glimmer AI agent. Want to choose this latest version, 30 built-in parameters. Just click right here and copy it from here. After that, go here, open command prompt, paste this command, and the installation of Glimmer is begin. Okay, as you can see, it's started working. It takes some time to download those files. Okay, fine. Downloading and installation of Glimmer is finished. Okay, let's test it. For example, let's see. Hi. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Okay, let's close this one. And let's move to the next step of VS Code. Okay, in VS Code, you have to go right here, File, open folder, create any folder as well. For me, I want to create this G for Glimmer. Click here, select folder. Now go right here to extensions and choose search for Ollama. Install this extension. Last workspace install. After Ollama, search for continue. Install this extension. Okay, now open continue right here and go select models, add chat model, choose provider, choose Ollama, and hit connect. After that, as you can see, my Glimmer model is detected automatically. Now let's ask it to do something. Okay, I want to create a website about water. Don't create files codes on the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, because in some cases, we have a problem with creating files. We have to add those files manually. Okay, let's hit send. Start generating. Okay, fine. As you can see, my code is created. Now let's copy this code and go right here to my G, create new file, no name it index.html. Paste the code right here. Okay, now let's go here and reveal in File Explorer, double click here, and let's see our website here. Okay, as you can see, this is my website. It's created by Muse Glimmer 3. Okay, it's not looks not good, but as you can see, Glimmer works else for coding using VS Code. Thank you guys for watching this. All for this tutorial.